Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel join requests on Telegram. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to install the Telegram application on your iPhone or Android device, or if you are using a computer, just log in into your Telegram account on their website. So since I am on an iOS device, my iPhone, I'm just gonna go to their iOS App Store, and here I'm just gonna search for Telegram, and then just click on this first application which says Telegram Messenger, and now just click on download. This cloud icon right here. If you're on iOS, it should be similar on an Android device, so just download the Telegram application. And once you have done that, just log in into your Telegram account. So after that, you have to come to this page. So unfortunately, there's no option to cancel your join request on Telegram, so you just have to download the Telegram application and log in into your account, and then you have to make a suggestion to their team. So you can contact the Telegram support team and ask them to add a cancel join request button on the application. So for some reason this page is not loading for me. Maybe my internet connection is very slow. So you just have to come to this page, suggestions.telegram.org, and make a suggestion to add a cancel join request button on Telegram app, and just hope for the team to add this button. So yeah guys, this is all you can do. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.